What takes up your disk space? WinDirStat can answer. Go to WinDirStat site. Choose the download suitable for your computer. The zip file contains all the versions. Click Create Desktop Shortcut if you wish. The second option allows you to right-click on a folder to analyze it. Click Install. Select the drives you wish to analyze. You can select all drives. You can select individual drives as well. Note that mapped network drives can be scanned too. You may also select a specific folder. Depending on your installation options, this can be done by right-clicking and choosing WinDirStat. Click OK. Note that this may take some time. Once the process finishes, you will be presented with the report. We will explain the unknown entry later. The interface will give you the size as well as the percentage of space. The largest items will be at the top. When you select an item, it will have a white border on the map. Expanding an item will give the same information. The percentage, however, will be relative to the parent. Click on an item on the map and you will be taken to it. The icons at the top offer a variety of functions. Opening the Windows Explorer with the selected item. Opening the item, which is useful if it's a movie, for example. You can also copy the item path. You can also delete the item by clicking the relevant icon on the toolbar. The same actions are available when you right-click on an item. Unknown is the difference between the total disk usage found by WinDirStat and that reported by Windows. It is because some files are not seen by WinDirStat. If you run WinDirStat as an administrator, unknown may get smaller. You basically have three options. Move the items to a different drive. You can use symbolic links if you wish. You can remove the items if they are not required. For example, if they are duplicate files. You can also compress items utilizing NTFS compression. Thank you for watching and see you next time.